What is up, you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get your LLC started in Indiana. So getting your LLC started and getting your business started is one of the best things that you can personally do to build a long-term income and a business. Like taking that initiative to be your own boss, you know, making your LLC, making your business could be a little bit intimidating, but I promise you, after you stick with it and your business, you're going to see like tremendous growth over the years. I mean, when I first started my business, it was super intimidating, but I wouldn't have it any other way. I really hope by the end of this video, you get your LLC started. I'm gonna show you guys a whole process of how to do it really fast and easy. So make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first thing I wanna talk about before we dive into step by step of how to do it, I wanna talk to you guys about making sure that you renew your LLC once you have it active. So getting your LLC started is a pretty simple process, but I want to let you guys know that every year, usually like in the beginning of the year, you have to renew your LLC to keep it active. If you don't, you know, it deactivates, and then sometimes you have to pay a late penalty fee, which I don't want you guys to do. So that just being said, remember to renew it every year. You have about 3 to 4 months to renew, so you should be good with that. The next thing I want to talk about, the second really important thing, is that when you get an LLC, you also need to get something that's called an EIN number for the LLC. This is like the social security basically of the LLC. It's a one-time thing that you get from the IRS, and don't worry, like in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it, how to get the LLC EIN literally in 5 minutes, right? But you're gonna need an EIN number, and this is what you're gonna use to like open a business bank account, a business credit card. They're always gonna ask for that EIN number for you guys. So just to keep in mind, LLC, always renew it every year to keep it active, and we're also gonna get that EIN number in this video as well. So let's get started. If you wanna follow along in this video, I'll have the links of what I use in the description down below, as well as in the pinned comments. It's a website called Taylor Brands. I highly recommend you to use it. It's really fast and easy, and let's get started with the whole process. So right in front of me here, I have Taylor Brands. Highly recommend it. It's how I get all my businesses started. I personally sell full-time on Amazon. That's how I make all my money. But let's start with this video, right? And let's start with that LLC. So we're gonna go to Indiana. Whoops, press the wrong button. Right here. And we're gonna click Get Started. So you wanna have a business name already in mind before you get started here. So we're gonna put for me, I'm gonna put Midtown Power Seller. Let's say I want to make an LLC with that. You don't need to type in LLC because it's gonna do it for you. Now we're gonna check if it's available, and yes, it's showing that it is available, which is great. So what we're gonna do is click next here. And now they're just gonna ask us a couple of basic questions that are gonna be real fast and easy to do. And like I said, if you wanna use this Taylor Brands, click the link in the description down below as well. I'll also have it in the pinned comments. Highly recommend it. That way you get your LLC started real fast, and you can open up your business bank account and your business credit card. So when do I plan on launching? Let's say in a few weeks. We're gonna click next here. What industry are you in? So if you type in any letter here, you can see a ton of industries. For me, selling on Amazon is related to e-commerce. So look, they have e-commerce here. Now, what do I offer? I offer physical goods. We're gonna click next here. And do I plan on hiring any employees? For me, I don't, because it's just me when I sell online. If you do or have business partners, you can click yes here. If you're not sure, you can click that. I'm gonna click no here. All right, now where do you operate from? Just put the zip code that you're gonna be operating from. And now they're gonna ask if your business is an online business, like a brick and mortar storefront or on the go. For me, it's an online. Click next here. And now they're gonna ask what you plan on doing for your business today. So we're gonna do the LLC and also that EIN number as well. Click next. And they're gonna also ask if I've done any of this already, and I honestly have not. So we're gonna skip this. And how did you discover Taylor Brands? If you're watching this video, you know, click YouTube, right? We're gonna click next. And do you want a free business plan? Yes, might as well, it's free. So we'll click next here. Now just put in your contact info. Here, let's put some stuff, right? Okay. Just put some random stuff here for an example for you guys. Click next. Boom. All right. Now we are almost done, really. So now they're going to ask, do you want Tabler Brands to get that EIN number for you? So they can get the EIN number for you for $99, which I highly recommend you to do. Or you can also get it yourself and not have to pay anything. All depends on your situation, right? Once you get your LLC established, then you would go to the IRS website and apply for the EIN number if you're trying to save money and if you wanted to do it yourself. The process is pretty easy, but let's say if you don't like dealing, with techie stuff or doing things online, then, you can pay a little bit extra, $99, and they'll get it for you. It all depends on your situation. For this example, let's say we just want them to get the EIN number for us because that's what we need to open up a business bank account and a business credit card. So we'll click here, yes, and click next. And now they're going to ask, do you want to assign someone as a registered agent for your LLC? So a lot of people tend to get confused with this, and I recommend you to always be your registered agent unless you don't live in the state of Indiana. So to have an LLC in Indiana, you have to live in Indiana. So sometimes people want to create an LLC in a different state that they don't live in, and that would require a registered agent. Why would people even do this? Sometimes there's tax benefits related to this. Your CPA might recommend this if you have like a multi-million-dollar business. But the majority of the people watching this video would be their own registered agent. For all of my LLCs, I am always my own registered agent. So we're going to go back here and we're going to click, I'll appoint a different registered agent, which is going to be yourself. We're going to click next here. They're going to ask, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Now, they're also going to ask if pretty much what this means here is that, do you want Tabler Brands to renew your LLC every year for you? The charge is $199 for them to do it. You do have a couple of months to renew it, so it's not too much to worry about. You have like 3 to 4 months to renew it yourself, so I always renew it myself. If you feel like you're going to forget, you can click this. For me, I always renew it myself. So we'll click next here. And now they're going to ask a couple stuff like, do you want professional brand tooling kit? For me, no thank you here. This is something that I would personally get though. I definitely would get this. Expedited filing time in 2 days. Or you can wait 2 weeks to get your LLC and not have to pay anything. The expedited filing time is $49. I recommend you to pay a little bit extra, get the expedited filing. If you don't mind, let's say you have a lot of things on your plate right now, you can always wait 14 days. It all depends on your situation, right? For this example, we're going to get the rush filing. That way we can get our business bank account, business credit card, and get this whole ball rolling, right? So we're going to click next here. Do you want an operating agreement? I personally don't think you need this at all. I'll figure it out myself, which is pretty basic stuff. Okay, store receipts, you don't need this as well. And they're also going to ask if you want bookkeeping and invoices. For me, I'm going to pass on this. And click next here. And do you want to get notified about your business? Yes, I want to get notified about anything with my LLC status, compliance, all that stuff. So I like to click get notified. Click next here. And now they're going to ask for 3 packages for you to choose from. But since we also did like the 2 things, we got the EIN number and also we got the rush filing. What I like to do here is click the light. All depends on your situation, right? But the state filing fee here, you always have to make sure that the state filing fee is always something you always have to pay no matter what. This is for the state. But if like let's say if you don't get the rush filing, right, you don't have to pay anything to use Tabler Brands, which is what I really like about the whole process. So we'll click select here. And now you're going to see the full payment to get your LLC done. So you can see for Indiana, to open your LLC is only $100. We're going to get expedited filing, so we get our LLC done in 2 days. And if you wanted to wait 2 weeks, it would only be $100. And then we're also going to get that EIN number as well to open up our business bank account, business credit card. So total payment, $149. Continue the payment. You would just pay with your card, and you're all set and done. And that is how you get your LLC done and established, real fast and easy and straight to the point. If you have any questions regarding like opening up your LLC and setting up your LLC in Indiana, leave a comment down below. Also, if you're still watching and this video was helpful for you, hit that subscribe button and like this video if you can. I'd really appreciate it. Any support that I can get, especially that this channel is new, means the world to me. This channel is new, so like if any likes and subscribes shows YouTube's like algorithm that I'm trying to push out some good content here and help you guys out as much as I can. Any questions, like I said, leave a comment down below. Like, subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Peace.